Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Sips By. They came out with a few themed boxes and they sent me a couple. So I'm going to do separate unboxings of those so you can check them out. But this one is the Galentine's tea party box. So they're all themed. And it shows you the teas on the back. They're all chocolate tea, which sounds really awesome. And then this just advertises the box. And let's take a look. So the first one is Cupid's tea. Somebody Loves Me tea. Black tea smitten with rose, chocolate, and strawberries. That sounds really good. And this one, it says, has a high caffeine. Looks like they all, well, 3 of the 4 are high caffeine. But the little card gives you steeping time and more information, so that's really handy. Then we also have some little fillable tea bags for all the loose leaf tea. And next up, there are 4 of these. Boutique Chocolate Raspberry. Raspberry notes sparkle from chocolate pools. Huh. Before tearing, shake envelope at top. Dunk the bag several times in the beginning for the best brew. Add milk, non-dairy milk, and sweetener, your preference. Very cool. And this is the caffeine-free one. So I plan on trying these before I post the video, so I'll put in the comments if I remember. You might have to remind me and tell you what I thought of them, which one was my favorite. This one is by Soulmate, and it's organic Yerba Mate Mocha Blend. That one has vanilla, coconut sugar, coconut milk. This one also is high caffeine level. And then the last one is TEALIGHTFUL Chocolate Chai. I love chai. It shows you all the ingredients in here. It's black tea. It also has cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, cacao, all sorts of stuff. Very cool. So I'll show you the card once again. And if you want to buy this exact box or some of the other themed ones, if you go to their website, click on shop at the top corner, and then there's an icon that looks like the subscription boxes, and then you can find it in there. So yeah. And if you'd like to sign up for a monthly subscription, I'll put a promo code below to save you some money off your first box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.